what came today. My first Firelight panel. It's a MS-5ud Firelight panel. So like I got this for $50 on eBay. The reason why I got it so cheap was because like let me tell you. Let me show you. Okay. So first of all, it's missing the zone terminals, which I ordered new ones. Also these, the knack. Yeah. So like there's a bunch of troubles. Power supply, sync fault, knack 1, knack 2, knack, like, yeah, no batteries. But other than that, everything like works well. Like, I don't know if anyone owns a MS-5ud or MS-10ud, the notifier version. Is it because like there's stuff missing? But like, look, when I press the drill button, the horn doesn't sound off. I'm not sure if it's because there's anything wrong, but like, yeah. So if anyone can help me, thanks a lot. But this is my new panel, and bye.